The Old Metairie area suffered some significant flooding during this rain event, but as badly as the streets were flooded, the water drained pretty quickly because of the hard work of 7 pumps like these that are stationed around Pontiff Playground in Old Metairie that drain the flood waters out of Old Metairie and into the playground.
See it overtake the tennis courts, the playgrounds, the baseball fields, the jogging path, but in the end it drains pretty quickly and people would rather have it over here than in the neighborhoods, obviously. One person I just talked to said this is the highest he's seen it come up against these levees in the playground in the 30+ years he's lived here.
So in contrast to what we're seeing in the playground over here, where there's a lot of flood water that's drained out of the neighborhood, you can look over here and see that the streets are drying out and things are starting to get back to normal rather quickly. In Old Metairie, Scott Walker, WDSU News.